In this video, I'm going to show you how you can manage your funnel traffic. So in order to share your funnel, what you're going to do is click on the three dots of your opt-in page, and then you're going to click copy link, and you'll be able to copy this link and share it with your clients or your audience. Another thing that you can do is create unique tracking links. So if you are marketing this funnel through things like Facebook, Instagram, whatever social media sites, or even through partnerships with other people, you can go ahead and create unique tracking links. So you can create a tracking link and you can create a tracking tag. It's going to give you a bunch of options. So for example, we'll create a Facebook one and we can go ahead and hit save. This is then the tracking link that you will use in all of your Facebook advertising. You'll then be able to see how your Facebook ads are actually performing. You could be investing a ton of money into them and they might just not actually be converting very well at all. And using a tracking link like this is going to give you that information that you need. You can also create your own custom tracking links. So if I want to create a tracking tag, I can create new tag. I can select a source. So I'm going to say this is Bob's special tag, for example. So Bob is my source. And then I'm going to create a new tag specifically for Bob. Bob is going off and marketing this link for me. And so I'm going to see how well his marketing efforts are doing by giving him his own unique tag. And I'm going to hit save. All right. And then again, I'm going to save. And I forgot to remove the Facebook tag. So we'll just say this is Bob's Facebook advertising tracking. So you can go ahead and create your own unique ones. So if we want just to have Bob be that tracking tag, we can go ahead and save. And then Bob's got his own unique tracking tag. And then to share or use that link, all you're going to do is click the copy icon and you'll paste that in the relevant place. Now, if we want to go ahead and see how well our links are performing, what we're going to do is exit out of this. We're going to come here to our filters and we're going to select the period. So if it's of all time, if it's today, yesterday, the last 7 days or the last 30 days or a custom date range, then you can go ahead and select which one of those you want to apply. You can choose the device type. So if it's the desktop or just mobile, so you can see how your funnel is performing on different devices, which is very useful. If most of your clients are using the mobile view, then you might want to spend extra time making sure that everything is especially optimized for mobile. And then you can choose the traffic source. And here is where we are going to select our tracking links. So if I want to see how well Bob's marketing efforts are working, then I'm going to go ahead, select that source. I'm then going to select my click order, if it's the first click, last click, or after click, and then I'm going to apply those filters. I'll then be given the unique stats for my funnel for the traffic from that source. So you'll get a very clear idea of how that traffic source or the marketing efforts behind that traffic source are working. One more thing to note is that you can apply this to any stage in your funnel. So we've created those special links for our opt-in page, but if we come here to our bridge page, for example, and we copy that link, we can come here to our tracking links and create new tracking links specifically for that page in the funnel. You can also simply share that funnel step with your users if you need to. So you can go ahead and grab those links, share them with your audience, and off you go. So that is how you can manage and track funnel traffic in the system.